Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This is going to be our fourth video, on how to score your fantasy football team. So, what we're going to talk about right now is we are going to talk about defense and special teams. So, we have an equation right here that we're going to use some information off ESPN.com and plug it in here in order to get our defense and special teams. So Mr. Mangum had New England Patriots for his team. So we're going to look at the points that they gave up. This is how you do it. What you will do is we will click on defense and special teams right here. So make sure you're also on week 1 or whatever week that you're currently on. And for this video, right now we're on week 1. So we had the Patriots. So I'm going to look down and find the Patriots. I'm still looking, and here we are. All right, the Patriots lost 27-42. So they played Kansas City. Kansas City got 42. They had 27. So how many points did they allow? Well, they lost 27. They gave up 42 points. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 42 into this equation right here. Okay, so I'm going to substitute the X for 42. And like I said, I'm doing this with like the little finger mouse, so it's very difficult to do. We got 0.5 and I got 12 minus. And I'm using the order of operations. So I'm going to do half 42, which is going to be 21. So basically I have 12. I'm going to write it over here. 12 minus 21. That looks terrible. Which winds up with -9. So -9 is this part here. I'm going to now look for interceptions and fumble recoveries. So I look for interceptions and fumble recoveries. If I scroll up, interceptions is the second column. Fumble recoveries is the third column. So let me scroll down, find the Patriots. They had 0 interceptions, 1 fumble recovery. I add those two numbers together, and so I have 1 as my total, which gives me 3 points. I'm looking for any touchdowns that they might have scored. The defense touchdowns is in the first column. So I scroll down until I find Patriots, and they had 0. So I'll put 0 for 0 points. And then let's see how many sacks they had, my defense. So the sacks are in the fourth column. So I scroll down. Patriots, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 3 there. So every sack is a point, so I just put a 3. So I had -9 plus 3 plus 0 plus 3 for a sum of -3. And I'll do the same thing for the Packers. And that is how you find your defensive scores.